Tayo lang mag-camping. Red wine. Camping tayo.
Ano sabi mo kay Willie?
Oh, Willie, thanks for being here. Thanks for being up there. Thanks for bringing the ham and ano yun, Billy? Dala ni...
Thanks for slamming the ham.
Look, ano yun? Yung langgunisa. Sabi mo, magpasalamat ka kay Willie.
Oh, Longganisa Lukban. At saka yung kay Willie, Asuncion. Pare, yung hamon Adelina namin at saka yung
Salamat.
at saka yung yung tuyo, yung garlic tuyo, yung nasa garapon. At saka yung parol ko, hanggang ngayon wala.
Ako naman, Willie, 38 years lang naman tayo hindi pa nagkikita. Pero nalang po natatandaan lang ko, in-email mo sa akin, nadala mo ako ng pandipugon. Hindi pa rin ako nakakatikim noon. Pero okay lang. Masarap naman eh.
Pandesal sa pugon niluto. No, seriously, Willie, sana nandito ka because
We miss you, man.
we miss you, man. You were here last time, so sana nandito ka. Pero baka hindi ka nakakuha ng flight. That's okay. When you get to LA, just let us know. Nandun kami, si Darnell, ako, and all the Socal boys. Magsabi ka lang, and we'll go out.
One phone call away.
A phone call away.